the voters knew better, and maybe that's because they realized that there's a time for politics and a time for leadership, a time to campaign and a time to put our country first. And John McCain is a man who wore the uniform of his country for 22 years. And
Thank you!
Thank you!
Thank you!
to break faith with our troops in Iraq, who have now brought victory within sight. And as the mother of one of those troops, that's exactly the kind of man I want as Commander-in-Chief. Thank you. Good judgment in the Commander-in-Chief can make the difference between victory and defeat, between avoiding a crisis and inviting a catastrophe. And the best case point is the surge in Iraq, which Barack Obama opposed because he said it was doomed to fail. But just last night, Senator Obama finally broke and brought himself to admit what all the rest of us have known for quite some time, and that's thanks to the skill and valor of our troops. The surge in Iraq has succeeded. Senator Obama said that the surge, quote, succeeded beyond our wildest dreams. I think, said Senator Obama, that the surge has succeeded in ways that nobody anticipated. I guess when you turn out to be profoundly wrong on a vital national security issue, maybe it's comforting to pretend that everyone else was wrong too. But I remember it a little differently. It seems to me there was one leader in Washington who did predict success, who refused to call retreat and risked his own career for the sake of the surge and victory in Iraq. And ladies and gentlemen, that man is standing right there.